Alright, so let's see what RPM it does at 100 kilometers per hour in top gear. And I'll also tell you if there is a difference at the cruising speed RPM in different modes. So you have eco, normal and power. First let's put it in eco. Of course, Lord Espresso would not move. Alright, cruise control set at 100. What's the RPM? Okay, it settles down at 1600 RPM. Yes, 1600 RPM. Just above 1600 RPM. Okay, now, so that's what? 1650 RPM. So just a while back, the needle was at 1600 RPM. Right now it's at 1650 RPM. And if I switch over to power, okay, no change. Switch over to normal. Oh, this is eco, but I am pressing normal. See, this is eco, this is normal. Okay, so it's still, because I am on cruise control, okay, it is still showing, this is perhaps the eco indicator that I am driving economically, okay. And if I choose power, no change. Again, choose normal, no change. Choose eco. So this is the eco indicator, economy indicator, and this is the mode indicator. Alright, so once again, so if I click on normal, it does not of course show here normal, but yeah, we know that this is the normal mode. Okay, if I choose this, it shows eco. If I choose sport, so now of course the eco indicator has gone off because it knows that we are in the mood for some sport driving. Okay, if I go into eco mode, and then yeah, the moment I press throttle, the eco indicator goes away. Alright, now the crux. See, it has again come down to just a shade above 1600 RPM. Okay, so this could be 1610 RPM, 1620 RPM. And I think with a full load of passengers, this could be 1700 RPM. But since I do all of these tests, okay, with no one else other than myself in the car, so this is what it is going to be. So it's just, yeah, this is 1650 rpm. Let me, yeah, just yeah, 1650 rpm, 1650. So let's try 120. So 120 is what? 1800 rpm. Not bad at all. Yeah, 18, slightly less than 1800 rpm. Slightly less than 1800 rpm. Yeah, slightly less than 1800 rpm. So essentially it's a shade over 1600 rpm at 100. Well, you can say 1650 rpm at 100, 1800 rpm at 120. Of course, all speedo indicated figures. Yeah, so pretty relaxed cruiser, and I hope you liked the video. Do hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. All right, do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.